Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So today in this video we'll talk about the OneUi 9 release date for the Samsung Galaxy devices. So now it is confirmed that the Samsung's Unpack event is going to happen on July 22nd, 2026. And on this event you will get to see the two new devices, which are the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 8, and they will come alongside the OneUi 9 update pre-installed. So the OneUi 9 is going to be released on July 22nd, and if we talk about the other devices, so the other devices will get this update in the month of August or September. The beta version is already out and it is on the beta 4 for the Galaxy S26 series. But the first part about this beta version is that it is only limited to some countries and only to some limited devices, while the other countries and the devices have to wait for the official update. Currently, it is on beta 4 with the 5th July 2026 update. This 5th July update is available for multiple other Samsung devices as well, like the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the S25, S24, and now on the Galaxy Watch 7 as well. But the beta version of the OneUi 9 update is only limited to some countries on the Galaxy S26 series. By the way, there's a new Samsung Health app update also available. After installing that, you will get to see an interface like this. So to update it, simply go into the settings of your Samsung Health app, and from here check for the update, or you can also update it by simply going into the Galaxy Store app, and from there tap on the menu option and check for new updates, or search for the Samsung Health app, and from there you can update it manually. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was a quick video to inform you about this latest news regarding the OneUi 9 update release date. If you're new on the channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, and let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below.